Alright, here we go. Same 2017 Hyundai Elantra. I'm going to do the cabin air filter, which like most cars is found behind the glove box. So after we empty the glove box off, there's two little knobs, one on each side. We're going to release them, put them off to the side. And then the door is just going to drop out of the way. Right, you don't have to take that little arm off on the side, that little piston. All right, you can leave that little piston there. And it's in there. You can see it's like a rectangle thing. Hang on a second. There you go. That nice rectangle piece there. You squeeze the tab right there off to the side. There's a tab on this side. You squeeze it together, and that will come right out. And you look at the filter, there's an arrow on there. It says airflow. Right, Nick? You see it?
Airflow down.
Yeah, airflow. The arrow points down. Right? So that's the way the new one has to go in the same way. All right, let's pull this bad boy out. See if it's ever been removed before. Oh boy. There you go. How about that, huh, guys? Change that stuff. Throw it on the floor, Nick. There you go. All right, the new one that's going to go in is an STP brand. Look what we find in there. Look at that. Oh my God, this is what you're breathing in. This is the same filters that they use in your air conditioning in your house for your heat and everything. All right, it's the same type of material. All right, here's the filter right there, CAF 1947P. All right, so it'll go in the same way. Airflow, where's the airflow marked on there?
There it is.
Here it is.
At the bottom.
That's right. So it's going to go in there, go in the same way. There you go. Nice and clean. Now I'm going to put the little black cover on there. And here it goes. Snap, snap. One snap. Two snaps. And that's it. I'm going to put the little knobs in there. All right. They just twist on. See it right there. After you do that, then you put the customer's contents back in the glove box. Not responsible for it being in the same order that it came out. All right, that's it. Job well done. Thanks, Nick.
You got it.
Ciao.